Hey guys, this is me, Jet Fox. So back to my video. Sitting here, Jet Fox, of course, right now on a beautiful Wednesday night. Sitting here, me and Zoe. So me and Zoe just sitting here. My dad just went to bed, and I was sitting here waiting for my mom to come home from work, and yeah, I'm just watching some YouTube videos right now. And I don't know if you guys can see, but do you guys see that little tiny light that's down there? It's right there. Do you guys see that little tiny light there? Um, that is Clay Bill. Because apparently, he apparently he came up tonight for hunting and stuff, which is cool. And yeah, so I don't know if he's gonna use my new stand or not, but if not, then I want to do some projects around the house here. I gotta take some garbage out of the garage there, and there's a little bit of trash in our dump trailer, and then after that, I would like to pressure wash the backhoe, and yeah. So when I get up in the morning, I'll take a peek out the window and see if he's in my stand, and if not, then I want to do my own projects. But if he isn't, in my stand, then I'm not gonna make no noise whatsoever. So, so yeah, guys. I'll wait and see what he's gonna do. So yeah. So, hi guys. I will check back a little bit. In my ear looks very weird, like it's just, I don't know. It's like turned, I guess, or something like that. That's because it's up against the couch. That's why it's doing that. Yeah, that's better. So, alright, guys. I will check back with you guys in the morning. And have a good night. Well, good morning, guys. So it's next morning right now, and it is a absolutely beautiful Thursday morning, and I'm outside right now, and I just got done throwing out the garbage that was in the dump trailer here, and there's a couple things I kept: the wheelbarrow, some buckets, a hose, a PVC pipe, and the water pump. So but yeah, that is all done. It's unloaded. So next thing I'm gonna do is head down to the garage and haul out some garbage that's down there, because there's a ton of black bags that is full of garbage. So I'll probably hook up my dump trailer and I'll probably haul them out. But alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I will check back a little bit. Well, I'm up here in the tree stand, and just to kind of check the area and make sure it's doing all right, and just to make sure that this tree stand is still doing good, and so far it's still holding up well. So I must have did it right. So, but Cody Bill is out in the woods right now, and he's actually in a different area right now. I thought he was gonna come this way and maybe come up here, but I saw him go the other way up the road. So I don't know, but maybe he will this afternoon when he comes back out after lunch or something. But yeah, it's the ears are doing pretty good around here. That's pretty good. And I got the pond going nice over there. There's the quad. Yeah, it's looking pretty good out here. Alright guys, I will chip back over a little bit. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm pressure washing the quads, and as you saw, I wash the 570, and this looks pretty good now. And not gonna lie, it looks like a brand new quad again. But it looks pretty good. It's all washed up, and I even did the plow. It also looks pretty good. And then I also washed the 450, and it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. And then I also washed the machine over there, so that's all good over there. And yeah, another reason why what was the car? The reason why I washed like quads here is because I want to get them ready for winter and stuff, and I probably won't be using the pressure washer during the winter time because the water might freeze. So I'm trying to get all this done now before it comes, and that way all ready to go. So, alright guys, well, on to the next project. I'll check back. Oh man, this poor old truck. This thing won't start. I don't know what's going on, but I think tomorrow my mom and I are gonna go to a local Advanced Auto and get a battery. That way I could just swap it in there and just be done with it for a while. Because I really want to get this thing back up. I really want to get this thing back up and running again. Like, I kept trying to charge this up with the battery charger, but it just won't do anything. So I think it's the battery that's shot. It's shot and it's dead. So I think tomorrow, my mom and I will go to our local Advanced Auto store and get a battery. But alright guys, well I think this will be the next video here. Because like I said, as usual, I don't want to record no longer past 10 minutes. So alright guys, this will be the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, get a big like, and hope you guys enjoy what you've seen in the video here today. And And yeah, so, alright guys, this will be the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks for watching, guys.
Jake the Fox, Jake the Fox, Jake the Fox, Jake. Boom, 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 boom. Jake the Fox, Jake the Fox, Jake the Fox, Jake.